Here's how to remove a turmeric stain from clothing in just 2 easy steps. First, gently brush or remove any of the loose turmeric particles from the fabric. Next, choose a cleaning agent. Here are 2 great options for turmeric stains. Number 1, an enzyme-based cleaner like OxiClean Back Out. Or 2, a standard liquid laundry detergent. For this demo, I'm using liquid laundry detergent since it's what most people probably already have. Apply your chosen cleaner directly to the stained area. I'm using a soft bristle horsehair brush to gently agitate the stain. Now doing this while the fabric is submerged underwater will help prevent the stain from spreading to other parts of the fabric. A quick tip, try to use a brush that is softer than the fabric to prevent any wear or damage to the fabric. Now, even after washing, turmeric almost always leaves behind a yellow stain, and that's where oxygen bleach comes in. For this step, you'll need a powdered oxygen bleach. In North America, the most common brand is OxiClean. Turmeric is a very stubborn stain, so make sure you use the maximum recommended concentration listed on your product's instructions. You'll notice once submerged, the stain changes color, often turning orange or red once exposed to the high pH of the oxygen bleach. That's totally normal and nothing to worry about. Now here's a 6-hour time lapse of the stain removal process. As you can see, the oxygen bleach slowly breaks down the yellow curcumin pigments trapped in the fabric. This is after 6 hours, and we can see that some of the stain is still visible. So I'm going to repeat the oxygen bleach treatment one more time. Turmeric stains are among the toughest to remove, so a second round of oxygen bleach is often necessary to completely remove the stain. If you're looking for links to the products that I used in this video, check the video description below. And if you live outside North America and are wondering what the OxiClean equivalent is in your country, I've included some of that info in the video description as well. After 2 oxygen bleach treatments, the stain is completely gone and the fabric looks good as new.